ask you to take a deep breath in. Relaxing as you let go and feeling your bodies very heavy and safe. Feeling your bodies heavy and safe. And we ask you to feel your feet or your body connected with your planet now. Truly feel this now. This feeling of safety in your body and connection with your planet. And once again, a deep breath in. Letting go. How wonderful to relax your physical body. How wonderful to feel the energy of earth below you. And now we ask you to affirm, I concentrate and seal my aura now. And you will concentrate the light quotient to the front, the back, the left, the right, above and below. Concentrating the light, pushing it out. And then spinning the golden thread of light around from the top, closing below your feet. And you feel your aura bright now, extremely bright and radiant. And you allow your aura to extend 3 meters in each direction. 3 meters out to the front, to the back, to the left and right. Truly extending this and making sure that your golden crust of light is complete. That there is literally a golden cocoon around your auric field. So you feel your physical body, and then you feel your egg-shaped auric field around you. And you notice in the space between the top of your head and the top of your auric field, there are 3 spinning golden discs. You affirm, I call the white light of Source for activation now. And you allow this more concentrated stream of white light to enter in to the cosmic star portal which spins at the top of your auric field. And it is opening that cosmic portal that connects your energy field with all that is, and with the higher dimensional frequencies within your galaxy in particular. And the white light pours down into the second chakric wheel above your head, pouring in, fully activating and opening the soul star portal, which now beams your original blueprint codes out to all of your star soul family, sending a coded message: I am here, I am ready, I am awake, I choose to fulfill my mission of service now. Beaming this message out now from the second chakra above your head. A joyful message: I am here. I am ready. I am on earth now. I am awake and ready to fulfill my mission of service. And this message beams out through all dimensions, including your third dimension, attracting towards you now star soul family members, known and unknown. The white light of Source streams through the first chakra above your head, the higher self portal, causing an instantaneous and spontaneous higher self embodiment now. As the higher self portal chakra activates, so you are your higher self now. Beautiful angelic crystalline wings, fully embodied from between your shoulder blades. And now you see why your auric field is at least 3 meters out in each direction, because these wings of yours are so grand, so beautiful, that they need this space in order to embody. Affirming, I am a crystalline angelic being of light. And the white light of Source flows through Sahasrara, the crown chakra at the top of your head, opening the 1,000-petaled lotus of awakening. And it streams through Ajna, awakening even further your third eye chakra, so that you may feel, see, be, know that which you truly are. And it flows down through your throat chakra now, awakening, opening this portal of truth and integrity within you. It flows through the heart chakra, assisting you in embodying love. And the white light of Source flows through Manipura, the solar plexus, and bringing strength and clarity to your perception of who you are on a personality level. Perfect acceptance. And it flows down through Svadhisthana in the belly, connecting you further with your body so that you may feel, listen to, hear your body's call towards health and purity, towards fun and joy and expressivity. And it flows through Muladhara, the wonderful root chakra, from which you ground down into Gaia, the first and primal point of your internal chakras that connects into Gaia, into your planet, your base within the universe, within the galaxy. And the white light of Source flows down now through the Gaia portal chakra, below your body, below your feet. And as this wonderful, large, magnetic silver disc spins open, you send your love down into your planet, and the Gaia portal is activated, protecting you fully from all that is not appropriate to enter through the soles of your feet, energetically and physically. And finally, the white light of Source streams down through the Earth star portal, streaming down and activating this chakra at the bottom of your auric field that allows full connection with the core crystal and the star within. And you are fully connected now, above and below, with the great central sun from which the white light of Source flows, and with the core crystal of your planet, to which the white light of Source flows through you. You are channeling heaven into earth. You are channeling higher dimensional light and love and sacred geometry through your body into Gaia and her core crystal. And the 13th chakra, the one heart chakra, superimposed upon your personal and higher heart chakras within the chest, spontaneously awakens now. We ask you to use the One Heart Mudra now, making a heart shape with your forefingers and thumbs and allowing the other fingers to fly like wings, the flying heart. There is a bursting explosion within your chest space into crystalline frequency, crystalline turquoise frequency radiating through from your heart, through your body, through from your heart, through your body. You are turquoise crystalline frequency now. And you visualize all 13 chakras spinning to the right, front, right, back, left, front, right, back, left. Spinning sacred geometry vortices. 7 within, 3 above, 2 below. And the One Heart superimposed upon them all. And you relax your hands now into any mudra they choose. And you are simply this. You are crystalline, angelic, frequency embodied. You are your original blueprinted, multidimensional self embodied. You are all this. And you namaste now. Namaste. Love codes flowing through you. Love codes flowing through you. Affirming, I am light. I am love. I am truth. I am sacred geometry embodied. And so it is. Relax. Feel your breath in your bodies. Namaste.